my YouTube channel. If you knew that I am Yousuf here, and I will be planting stuff like this guy over here. Hey buddy, and don't forget to support me for more. So let's begin. Abracadabra. Stop. Before that, like and subscribe this video. Abracadabra. Now where is the other thing? Maybe abracadabra. We have this booklet right over here, and it's so exciting. Let's open this. Okay, this is so exciting. I didn't think that it will be so exciting like this. One minute later, the zone you're gonna stay.
1 minute later.
So guys, you see here that we put plastic on it. Of course, we had it by a help of an adult. So let's cut it. Now after cutting it, of course, we have to assemble it. Macarena. Now let's make a floor to it. You have to be very careful. If you don't be careful, all this will fall. Now we're gonna prepare the soil for the seeds. The seeds are here. Now I dumped my soil before putting in my seeds. So we had to put those seeds in the water for 24 hours. So if they beat down, they sink in the water, or if they still be up, if they still beat down, they're safe. If they're up, they're not safe. If they sink down in the water, they're good to use. But if they still be up, we have to throw them away. So we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds left. But we already put 4, so we have 4. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my greenhouse so we can see the progress progress is so good. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to be my friend, I'll be so happy. So like and subscribe this video and support me by giving me hearts and giving me like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe 1,500 for this video for more. Thanks. Bye.